Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about geometry. So dear student, before starting about geometry or the exercises, I would like to tell you about some facts about geometry. The geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the properties and relation with the lines, angles, surfaces and solids. For just an example, just like maths deals with numbers, so geometry deals with visual figures in like points, lines, curves, etc. So first we will go through with line. See, a line has any length of both side and it has no endpoints. For example, I'll draw here. So first I am drawing a line here, so you can see it properly as I am drawing a line here. For example, I am drawing a line that is this is the line I am drawing and this has no end, or I can add any length to this line. Okay, so this is the line, but it is and we can represent by it L or a small letter L or single letter L of English alphabet. Okay, so now there are some other lines. The first one is, as you can see, this is the straight line and some are curved lines. So this is all about lines. There are two types of line, the straight one and the curved one. Okay, the curved lines and the straight lines. So these are the two types line. Another important fact that you are going to study in this chapter is about line segment. See, what is line segment? A portion of a line is called a line segment. Okay, a portion of a line. For example, I have drawn a line over there, but there was a not fixed length. When we have fixed the length, for example, this line I have drawn and I am fixing these 2 points. So these 2 points are known as line segment. Okay, it has a fixed length and we denote this line segment. Okay, it is called line segment, as you can see in your books also. Okay, so this is a line segment. Line segment has 2 endpoints and it has a fixed length. Okay, now let's look at about the curves. There are some image of curves, and a simple closed curve is that closed curve which does not cross itself. For example, a simple closed curve is always known as, or a closed curve is basically known as which do not cross itself. For example, I am making a figure here. There are two types of curve. There are two types of curves, open and closed. Okay, open and closed. Like this is an open curve. If I draw this is a closed curve, but sometimes you might have seen this. So which type of curve it is? So it is an open curve, because a closed curve, a simple closed curve, do not cross itself. If it is like this, then it's okay, but if the lines are crossing each other, then it is not a closed curve. Now another is a polygon. That's next thing that we have to study in this is a polygon. So what is a polygon? A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Okay, so it is a simple closed curve which made up of line segments. Okay, the line segments are the sides of a polygon. See, these are the line segment and it is a closed curve lines, and these are the sides of the polygon, and any two sides with a common endpoint are the adjacent sides. See, dear students, these two are the adjacent sides. Okay, they have both common endpoint, so these are the adjacent sides, and at the point the two pair of sides meet, this pair and this pair. This point is known as vertex. This is called vertex. Okay, now if the join of any two non-adjacent line vertex are the called if I join this figure, this is called a diagonal. So this is not in detail in our book, so let's move forward. See the types of polygons. There are three types of polygons as given to you. See two types of polygons given to you, that is triangle and quadrilateral. See, what is a triangle? A polygon which is made of three line segments is called triangle, means which has three sides. Okay, three line segment, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the vertex that I have told you, and this is the side. Now comes to the quadrilateral. A simple closed figure bounded by four lines is called quadrilateral. Means a closed figure that has four lines. In triangle there are three sides, but in quadrilateral there are four sides or four lines and four angles. Okay, these are the angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and this is the diagonal that I have told you earlier. Okay, and there are rectangle and square are the special types of quadrilateral. Next we will study about the circle. So dear students, a circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Please mind it, a circle is not a polygon, it is a simple closed curve. Okay, see circle, there are different points that we should keep remember while learning about circle. There are this is center, this center point, and this is the radius. What is the radius? The fixed distance. The center is the fixed point and the radius is the fixed distance. Okay, and the diameter, a diameter is a chord passing through the circle. Okay, the diameter, what is the diameter? For in this circle, this is O point is a fix, and OA is a radius, and the diameter from the, or we can say it is the complete length inside the circle. Okay, the length of a line segment through one point to another point of the circle is called diameter. This is the diameter. Okay, and the radius is the length of a circle. That in this it is OA is a length. Now let's learn how to see there is a relation between radius and diameter. Okay, see diameter is 2 into radius, means this is a radius, and if we count this whole means it is twice, so it is called radius. If we have to find out diameter and we have given radius, so we will apply this formula. Or for suppose that if we diameter has given to us and we will have to find out the radius, so r is equal to 1 by 2 diameter, so we will just half it. Okay, now what next another is important thing that you have to study is parameter. You have to find out the parameter. See, for parameter you will have to add all the sides of a quadrilateral or the polygon, whatever figure has given to you. For example, if the figure is given to you like a rectangle figure has given to you, if it is a rectangle figure and it has given to you, so how you will find out? For example, it is 5 centimeter and it is 8 centimeter, so you will have to add the parameter is the total distance of the figure. What is the parameter? The parameter is a total distance of the figure. See, this is the outer distance. Okay, this distance 5, if it is 8 centimeter, then it must be a 8 centimeter and it must be 5 centimeter. So for finding parameter, we will add all the sides like 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. So 5 5 10 10 plus 8, it is 18, and it is 26. And if we talk about the area, so area is the inner space or inner distance of a given figure. Okay, for formula perimeter of a rectangle, this is the perimeter of a rectangle, so it is 4 it is the sum of all sides, so it should be, or we can say 2 into L plus B. So L is the length and B is the breadth. So whether we add it 4 times or we can simply add it these sides and multiply. So as you can see, as I have it here, or similarly I can add it here, 8 plus 5 into 2, 8 plus 5 is 13, multiply by 2 is equal to 26. So it is, this is a perimeter, how to find out a perimeter. If we are talking about in terms of rectangle, or for suppose that if you have to find out the perimeter of a triangle, so we will add all the sides, for example A, B, C. So for a triangle, this is the symbol we use for a triangle perimeter. How you will add all the sides. Okay, AB plus BC plus CA, you will add all 3 sides. For example, it is 3, it is 2 and it is 4. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 9 centimeter is the correct answer. So dear student, this is all about this chapter and basic concept of this chapter. Hope you have learning from this video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stay learning.